Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today I'm super excited to be unboxing the Weebil S gimbal. I've been searching around for a while now for a good gimbal for my camera, and this gimbal here honestly seems like the best value for money. Alright, so starting off with the box, you have a nice clear photo of what the gimbal actually looks like with the camera on it. Now moving over to the top, you've got another shot over here at the back of what it looks like from the side. Alright, so let's open up the box. You've got the brand name here. Let's take this aside. Let's pull out the contents. And here in this nicely packaged folder, you've got all the paperwork for the gimbal. So you've got your quick start guide here with a bunch of helpful information, I'm sure. And this is your service card here, which is really cool. Yeah, it shows you where actually in the world you can actually go to get your gimbal serviced or if there's an issue. So that's pretty nice. All right, now getting to the main event. I really like how this is actually packaged. Well, it was packaged. And yeah, this is the actual gimbal itself. And I gotta say, it feels really premium and it feels really good in the hand actually. And over here, you've got the tripod. This allows you to sort of set it down, I guess. And also doubles as an extension to the grip for the gimbal itself, which is really nice. I believe this helps you mount the gimbal to the camera. And you have the batteries, which also come with the gimbal itself. You also get some cables, which comes in this really nice, cool box with the brand logo here as well. Let's see what you get. So you get a bunch of different cables. So this is actually micro USB, which is quite interesting, as well as USB-C to C, I believe. Oh no, USB-C to micro. You've got micro to micro, as well as another USB micro to micro. You also get some screws and another set of cables. Actually, you get quite a few cables here, which is quite nice. I guess if you lose one, you always will have a spare, which is nice. And this is your charging dock for the rechargeable batteries, which is actually powered by a USB Type-C cable. All right, so this is pretty much what you can expect right out of the box when you purchase a Weebil S. This has been my unboxing. Stay tuned for my review of the Weebil S. That's going to be coming out real soon. I hope this has been informative. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.